Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send from Tonkeeper to a bank account, your bank account. So you need a few things. You need, of course, your bank account, and you need something that could send fiat to your designated bank account. So what does that mean? You need, for example, you have Ton or you have USDT on your wallet, on your Tonkeeper wallet, and you want to send it to your bank account. You need an additional step, which is to send from Tonkeeper to place a website like Binance or Bybit or even coins.ph, and then from there just make it into USDT and then send it to your fiat, and then you're good to go. So how do you do that? You get your Binance or your Bybit or your coins.ph wallet address, and make sure, for example, for this example, like Ton, right? Like if you're gonna send Ton to, for example, your Bybit, or again, Bybit, Binance, coins.ph, you click send and make sure you get the address right. So if you're going to send Ton, you need to send the wallet address that's in the Ton blockchain, because if not, it's not going to work. So again, just like any other Tonkeeper sending to other wallets, just put the address here and then do a comment and then click continue, and you will be good to go. If it's, for example, if it's USDT, it's the same thing. Click send, put the USDT address here, and then give a comment, and then click continue and click send. So that's how you do it. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.